kitchen floors, scattered food, cat litter, pet hair on the carpet, under the couch, and debris scratched off by your cat. These are some of the most annoying things when cleaning a room. To help you solve these cleaning challenges, we did a comprehensive test of the Dbot T50 Max Pro Omni. To bring the test closer to real-life scenarios, we set up a complex environment to copy various cleaning challenges in a real home. Okay, Eco, start cleaning now.
Begin vacuuming.
There are two parts in the Dbot T50 Max Pro Omni, the Omni base station and the main unit. It is available in two color schemes, white and black. Personally, I appreciate the minimal design. No matter what style or color scheme your home is, this robot will blend in seamlessly. The size is roughly the same as a travel backpack, making it a very space-saving. From the Dbot to the charging stand, the design is completely symmetrical from the front to the top. The water tank is made of a transparent material, allowing you to clearly see the water level before use. This eliminates the need to worry about forgetting to add water or drain it. Maintenance is also straightforward. You can easily access the dust bag and cleaning solution by opening the front cover without needing to lift the top cover. An important innovation is the embedded LiDAR module, which replaces the traditional top-mounted sensor, enabling it to navigate under low-clearance areas such as sofas and tables with ease. Before starting the cleaning process, you can open the lid on top of the robot and scan the QR code for networking and setup. The setup process is very simple. Through the ECOVACS Home app, you can complete the connection and setup of the device in just a few steps. The app is intuitive and supports both 2D and real-time video switching, accurately reproducing the home environment. You can check the working status of the robot, the cleaning path, and the status of the base station in real time. A notable highlight is the built-in EcoGPT intelligent voice assistant, which allows users to interact with the robot directly through voice or text commands. For example, you can directly command "Go clean the bedroom" or ask "How do I prevent children from accidentally starting the robot?" I think it's also worth mentioning that it also supports the Matter protocol, which makes it easy to integrate into smart home ecosystems such as Google Home and Apple Home, and to connect to other smart devices. With the setup complete, we can let the robot get to work. Let's take a look at its cleaning performance. The Dbot T50 Max Pro Omni's Blast powerful suction technology is truly amazing. It delivers a stable airflow of 16.3 liters per second and a strong suction power of 18,500 Pa, easily handling all kinds of dry garbage, including hair, cat fur, paper waste, cat litter, and rice. Even very fine dust is no match for it. In actual test, the robot was able to clean cat litter and flour dropped on the floor in one pass, leaving almost no residue. Even small particles hidden in the crevices of corners were thoroughly cleaned up by its powerful airflow. For wet messes, the robot performed just as impressively. We prepared milk, ketchup, chili oil, and even eggs accidentally dropped on the floor, scattered in the room with a lot of furniture and a complex layout. The robot easily handled these wet messes, leaving surfaces spotless with no stains remaining. For pet-owning households, the Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangling technology is a game changer. Its 45-degree V-shaped bristles effectively prevent hair from tangling. In tests, both long and short hairs were easily sucked into the dust bag without getting tangled on the main brush. The Carpets First feature ensures that the robot prioritizes dry sweeping when cleaning carpets, avoiding wet mopping. The True Edge 3D Edge sensor allows the robot to clean precisely along the edges of carpets, solving the pain point of pet hair and carpet cleaning. This machine also excels in cleaning corners and furniture edges. True Edge 2.0 technology dynamically extends the roller and side brushes, ensuring that the robot covers corners and edges as it cleans along the edges. Combined with the new True Edge 3D Edge sensor, the robot adapts to different types of edges and turns, precisely avoiding collisions while maintaining a tight fit on the edge. In hard-to-clean areas such as corners and furniture edges, the T50 Max Pro Omni cleans precisely along the edges to ensure nothing is missed. In narrow passages or under furniture, it is even more nimble, getting in and getting the job done. The 10-in-1 Omni base station offers a maintenance-free cleaning experience. This includes a 40 to 70 degrees Celsius temperature-controlled mopping. 63 degrees Celsius hot air drying, automatic garbage dumping, automatic addition of the cleaning solution, and automatic water replacement and the drainage. These features not only reduces the user's maintenance work but also enhance the cleaning effect. For busy office workers, the maintenance-free design of this machine can automate the cleaning tasks, saving time and energy. In homes where multiple chores need to be handled simultaneously, the robot is able to complete the cleaning tasks independently, reducing the burden on the family. We have summarized the specs so you can take a screenshot if needed or click on the link down below to learn more or make a purchase. Besides cleaning power, another major concern is the robot's obstacle avoidance ability. Traditional robots often get stuck or hit things due to inaccurate recognition. The T-Bot T50 Max Pro Omni's obstacle avoidance ability is another highlight. It uses the IV3D 3.0 technology, which achieves accurate identification of the obstacles and cleaning along the edges through visual language modeling. Compared to traditional obstacle avoidance technology, IV3D 3.0 can recognize a wider variety of obstacles and adjust the cleaning path in real time to ensure maximum cleaning coverage. In real-world tests, the robot easily avoided complex obstacles such as wires, slippers, and U-shaped chair legs, while also cleaning along the edges to ensure no corners were missed. The dynamic obstacle avoidance function allows the robot to adjust its route to avoid collisions even when facing moving paths or pedestrians. Efficient cleaning performance often comes with higher noise levels. However, the T-Bot T50 Max Pro Omni does a good job in noise control. Its patented noise-reducing rectifier fan design effectively surpasses the high-frequency wind noise through a special curve, ensuring that the noise level remains low even under high airflow. This design not only enhances the user experience, but also makes the T50 Max Pro Omni stand out from similar products. Even when used at night, the low-noise design will not disturb your family. It is also suitable for use in offices and other places where a quiet environment is required without affecting work efficiency. In my opinion, the T-Bot T50 Max Pro Omni can easily handle both daily cleaning in the home and deep cleaning in complex scenarios. It is not only a robot vacuum but also a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a regular consumer in pursuit of a high quality of life, this robot will be an excellent choice for home cleaning. This one is priced at about $850 on the website. If you are interested, you can click the link below the video to purchase it. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.